Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn create and run your first Rust app. Let's have a look. First of all, we have to run this command on your terminal. So wherever directory you want to run, just go to that directory var www.html, and here I'm going to paste this command cargo new hello Rust app. Okay, so it will generate the package like this. We have the hello Rust, we have the folder, we have a source, we have a main.rs file. Okay, so now go to that directory and run this project. Okay, so here we have to go with this. Okay, and then we have to go with the command that is cargo run. Before those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Now we have to go with run cargo run, and it's hello world is printed here. You can see that. Okay, you can see hello world. And if I open my project like this, I need to just open it like a code editor. Let's go with code editor, and here we have the source, we have the main, print hello world. Okay, so this is how we are going to print that one, and it's our first Rust app. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.